Hello kids, welcome to What's Your Hobby channel. Today we are going to perform the invisible ink experiment. So without wasting further time, let's start the video. Why does the colorless ink turns brown? That is because lemon juice contains carbon compounds. These compounds are pretty much colorless at room temperature, but heat can break down these compounds, releasing the carbon. If the carbon comes in contact with the air, a process called oxidation occurs and the substance turns light or dark brown. Go ahead and be creative and see what you can design using your lemon juice. See you guys in the next video.